Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Do Not Track on web or browser in your PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open web or browser on your PC. Then go to top right corner and click on three horizontal lines. Now from here, click on settings and then go to left side and click on privacy and security. From here, you can find an option that is send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. Turn this on. Now you can go to promote option. From here, click on confirm. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.